Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best gold cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools in your jewelry care arsenal. Over time, your precious gold pieces can lose their luster due to everyday wear and tear. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of gold jewelry cleaner solutions, exploring what makes a great cleaner, and how to keep your gold looking its absolute best. Number 5. CONNOISSEURS Premium Jewelry Cleaner 9.6 ounces. Keep your jewelry sparkling with this premium cleaner. It's available in fine, silver, and delicate formulas to suit all your precious pieces. Select the perfect cleaner for your jewelry type. Whether it's fine gems, silver, or delicate pieces, this product has you covered. It's easy to use and effective. Get more cleaning power with the value size. This generous bottle ensures you have plenty of cleaner to keep all your jewelry looking its best. It's a great investment. The fine jewelry formula is perfect for diamonds, gemstones, and precious metals. It gently removes dirt and grime, restoring the brilliance of your jewelry. This will make them shine. Keep your silver jewelry tarnish-free with the silver formula. It effectively removes tarnish and restores the shine. This will make your silver look brand new. For delicate jewelry, the delicate formula provides gentle cleaning. It's safe for pearls, opals, and other sensitive pieces. It will keep them looking beautiful. What we like. This cleaner offers a versatile cleaning solution, catering to fine, silver, or delicate jewelry. It comes in a value size, ensuring you have plenty to keep your jewelry sparkling. If you have a variety of jewelry types and want a cost-effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. My silver jewelry looked dark and dull, and after just a few seconds it came out shiny and like new. It's super easy to use and gives professional results at home. This cleaner works wonderfully. I used it on my rings, bracelets, and earrings, and they came out sparkling like new. Number 4. CONNOISSEURS Premium Jewelry Cleaner 9.6 ounces. Keep your jewelry sparkling with this premium cleaner. It is available in fine, silver, and delicate formulas to suit your specific needs. Select the perfect cleaner for your precious items. Whether it's fine jewelry, silver pieces, or delicate gems, there is a formula for it. This value size ensures you have plenty of cleaner. It will keep your jewelry looking its best for longer. Simply follow the instructions for a brilliant shine. It is designed to be user-friendly and effective. Trust CONNOISSEURS to protect and enhance your jewelry. It is the perfect choice for maintaining the beauty of your collection. What we like. This cleaner features a gentle formula, perfect for cleaning fine jewelry without causing damage. It's also safe for various gemstones, ensuring your precious pieces are well cared for. If you are looking for a cleaner that prioritizes the safety of your delicate jewelry and gemstones, you should consider this. What people say. My silver jewelry looked dark and dull, and after just a few seconds it came out shiny and like new. This cleaner works wonderfully. I used it on my rings, bracelets, and earrings, and they came out sparkling like new. Works to remove tarnishing immediately. Quickly returns silver to its shiny appearance. Number 3. Weiman Jewelry Cleaner, Restore Shine and Brilliance. This is Weiman Jewelry Cleaner. It's designed to gently clean your fine jewelry. It helps restore the brilliance and shine. The gentle formula removes dirt and buildup. It's safe for gold, platinum, and titanium jewelry. Use it on rings, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. Simply place your jewelry in the cleaning tray. Let it soak for up to 30 minutes, using the brush if needed. Rinse with water and buff with a soft cloth. Soap, lotion, and styling products can dull your jewelry. This cleaner restores it to like new condition in minutes. It removes the dullness and brings back the sparkle. This cleaner is safe for diamonds, sapphires, rubies, and more. However, it's not for silver, coral, or pearls. Always check the instructions. What we like. This cleaner is designed for all jewelry types, including gold, silver, and various gemstones. It also boasts an ammonia-free formula, making it gentle on your jewelry and the environment. If you like a versatile, eco-friendly cleaner for all your jewelry needs, you should consider this. What people say. It worked perfect. The smell was a little strong but tolerable. This jewelry cleaner brought it back instantly. The included cleaning brush is the perfect size for getting into small crevices, especially around gemstone settings. Number 2. Simple Shine Jewelry Cleaner, safe for all jewelry. This gentle jewelry cleaner is safe for a wide variety of jewelry. It is formulated to clean gold, silver, diamonds, and more. It is perfect for all your precious pieces. Bring your rings back to their original sparkle in minutes. This cleaner works wonders on diamond rings, silver, and gold. It's gentle yet effective, leaving your jewelry brilliant. This gold jewelry cleaner effectively breaks down buildup. It's safe for soft stones, pearls, and all metal types. It is a premium solution for all your jewelry cleaning needs. This travel-friendly cleaner is ammonia-free. It works like an ultrasonic cleaner without the need for machines. It's an ideal solution for cleaning engagement rings and watches. The Simple Shine Jewelry Cleaner comes in a 6-ounce cup with a dip tray. Simply lower your jewelry into the tray for a few minutes. Then, remove, brush, and rinse. It's that easy. What we like? This kit provides a complete cleaning solution, including a brush and polishing cloth. It's also proudly made in the USA. If you want a comprehensive cleaning experience with all the necessary tools, you should consider this. What people say. It reviews all types of jewelry. My diamond ring sparkles like it's brand new when I soak it overnight. Sterling shines up beautifully, none of the stones set in silver were harmed, and lesser metals cleaned up too. Number 1. USA Jewelry Cleaning Kit. Tired of dull jewelry? This complete cleaning kit is your solution. It's designed to bring back the sparkle to your gold, silver, diamond rings, and earrings. This kit includes everything you need. It comes with a brush and polishing cloth, making it easy to clean your fine and fashion jewelry. Whether it's a delicate earring or a treasured diamond ring, this cleaner is safe and effective. It gently removes dirt and grime, restoring the original beauty. Quality and craftsmanship you can trust. This jewelry cleaning kit is proudly made in the USA, ensuring the highest standards. Bring your jewelry back to life with this easy-to-use kit. It's the perfect way to keep your favorite pieces looking their best. Get yours now. What we like? This cleaner offers a versatile cleaning solution, catering to fine, silver, or delicate jewelry. It comes in a value size, ensuring you have plenty to keep your jewelry sparkling. If you have a variety of jewelry types and want a cost-effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. Product worked as expected. It says to leave jewelry submerged for 2 minutes. I left mine for about an hour. Easy to use. Comes with a brush and 2 different cleaning cloths. I like that it doesn't have much of a smell and definitely left my jewelry sparkling. I used it on white gold and diamond jewelry. I would recommend it. This one has made my wedding bands clean and shiny. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.